Energy storage in the Iberian market presents great opportunities, but also faces significant regulatory challenges. How do you ensure that your project complies with local and European regulations? In this video, we will explore the main regulatory challenges in Spain and Portugal and how to address them to maximize the viability and success of your projects. For Spain, the challenges are as follows: construction licenses and permits. One of the main obstacles is obtaining permits, especially in rural or protected areas. Complying with local regulations can extend processing times. Grid connection regulation. RE requires stability and safety tests before authorizing connection. This includes fault response tests and quick disconnection systems. Compliance with ITC BT 52. This regulation governs the technical requirements for low-voltage systems, from storage capacity to fire protection systems. For Portugal, the challenges are as follows: grid access tariffs. In Portugal, access tariffs can be high in areas with high grid saturation, affecting the profitability of projects. Regulation of energy injection. Systems must adjust their injection to the local grid capacity, adding operational complexity. Electrical safety compliance. Strict requirements for overload protection, fault detection, and fire protection systems. Adaptation to European regulations and harmonization challenges are regulatory desynchronization. Spain and Portugal follow European guidelines such as the RED II directive, but the lack of harmonization generates additional costs for developers. Compliance with energy efficiency requirements. The EU requires improvements in grid efficiency, which implies adopting advanced technologies and monitoring systems. Access to European funds. To access funds such as Next Generation EU, projects must meet strict environmental and climate requirements. As recommendations for Spain, establish a clear timeline for obtaining licenses and permits. Conduct thorough connection tests to comply with RE standards. AS recommendations for Portugal. Carefully calculate access tariffs to optimize the location of your project. Make sure your system complies with injection and electrical safety regulations. AS recommendations at the European level. Adopt technologies that demonstrate energy efficiency improvements and prepare environmental impact assessments to access funds. Navigating the regulations in the Iberian market may seem complicated, but with the right strategy, you can overcome these challenges and take advantage of all the opportunities the energy storage sector has to offer. If you need advice to ensure regulatory compliance for your projects in Spain or Portugal, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your project a sustainable success.